Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download Kaikas mobile crypto wallet application using your iOS device. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your App Store. Go to the search box at the top and type in Kaikas and search. You will come across this application that says Kaikas mobile crypto wallet inside the search result. Simply tap on the Get button to begin downloading the app on your device. Kaikas Mobile is a non-custodial crypto wallet that lets you store, manage, and send digital assets like coins, tokens, and even NFTs. Once you tap on Get, your download should begin. Wait until it completes, and you can then start receiving and sending cryptocurrency quickly and easily. Connect your Kaikas wallet to the apps, stake your tokens, and much more. That is how you will be able to download Kaikas mobile application on your iOS device in a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.